talk about exactly what happened with this car, what they diagnosed, and how much it really costs to repair the E92 M3. Give this John some gas, bro.
All right, let's do it.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Artie and my boy Mr. E92. We are back with the E92 M3 that I did a few videos on, and one of the last videos that I did on this car was it going into the service shop because it had engine issues. Now I decided to make this video, guys, as a part 2 on what exactly went wrong with this car. And you guys already know that I did a video on him purchasing an extended aftermarket AutoNation warranty. Now let's talk about exactly what happened with this car, what they diagnosed, and how much it really costs to repair the E92 M3. Now the reason that I wanted to do this video is a lot of people out there are trying to get into the M's, get an E92 M3. I just wanted to share how much it costs if you don't have warranty to service one of these cars if it gets a check engine light. Now check engine lights can be different, they could be all different types of issues. When I initially took this car to the shop, I honestly thought it was the throttle actuators, and he lucked out because that was not the case with this particular car, with this particular issue. So when they diagnosed the car, they had the car for 2 days. They diagnosed it on the next day, and they called him to tell him what is wrong with the car. It was 2 coils, correct?
2 coils failed, and they changed all the spark plugs.
All right, so the 2 coils on this car failed, and he obviously had to replace all of the spark plugs on this car. How much did it cost to do all of that if you were going to pay out of pocket? So the total cost for that and the diagnostics was $637, right?
$637.
637 bucks. Just wanted to make this video. For instance, if you did not have warranty, you would be paying approximately 600, 700, depending on the shop where you live. All prices have different, all shops have different prices. So that's roughly about how much it costs to do to replace your coils. Now, some people would say if they're already there, they'd probably want to do all of the coils, but warranties do not want to cover things that do not come up on the scanner. And if it's 2 coils that came up on the scanner that had failed on them, they want to replace exactly that. Now, I don't know, a lot of people might argue, they could say you could do this at home as a DIY project. Maybe so. If you like to wrench on your cars, yeah, maybe you could have done this at home. But if you already have warranty like him, which actually was a pretty good warranty because everything was covered, he paid nothing out of pocket, why not have the dealer do it? So a short little video that I wanted to do an update on the E92 M3 because this car is part of the channel. It's been on the channel multiple amount of times. So one thing that's good is the fact that warranty was covered. Second thing, it wasn't a throttle actuator, rod bearings, or any of that. That the BMW E92 is common, you know, having those issues.
I don't even worry about the rod bearings. If they'll fail, the warranty will take care of it.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
You don't got to worry about nothing.
I don't have
you
to
tested the
worry about
warranty.
nothing.
It's a good warranty.
Yes. It's a very
it covered.
good warranty.
So you got
cover.
lucky, man.
I got really lucky.
My SL55 AMG that I had in the warranty, they did not cover anything. When I took it to Benz, I had to pay a lot of money out of my own pocket. So that was like a complete scam. Mr. E92 right here, for now, he's very happy with the AutoNation warranty. You're happy with the car, right?
Very happy.
So,
very happy with the warranty, very happy with the car. So
you have to replace
no regrets.
What else? They told you some type of a service, right? You needed?
Yes, I need a transmission, DCT service.
Yeah.
So
you'll do that soon?
That's like maintenance, so it's gonna come out of my pocket.
Yeah. So he'll do that very soon because he doesn't want to kind of beat on the transmission and then, you know, kill it. So he'll do that service soon. It's already becoming a higher mile vehicle. Might as well take care of it. We'll do another update video on that, how much it costs. So that's that, guys. Just wanted to share this little video as part 2 to what happened with the E92 when I did the check engine light. So that's that, guys. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for joining in, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.